Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the HEADLIGHTSDEPOT Headlight compatible with 2014-2019 Lexus GX460 Biled CAPA certified left driver side headlamp assembly. This headlight is a perfect fit for your 2014-19 Lexus GX460 with its LED bulb type and high-quality CAPA left driver side LED design. Not only is it DOT and SAE stamped, but it also meets all safety requirements, giving you peace of mind on the road. With a hassle-free 1-year limited warranty, you can trust that this aftermarket LED headlight will provide you with long-lasting, reliable performance. And the best part? It comes at an affordable price, without compromising on quality or style. So, if you're in the market for a new headlight for your Lexus GX460, look no further than the HEADLIGHTSDEPOT Headlight. Check out the link in the description to get yours today and elevate your driving experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.